Welcome back to the Pro Tips video, and we are looking at Outlook and PST files, what they are, why we use them, and what we should not do with them. So your email profile is usually linked to a PST file. If it's an Exchange email client, or if it's an Office 365, it would be an OST file. But with PSTs, with IMAP and POP3, it's a PST file. And if you are using your Outlook client just for emails, for calendar entries, it's still a PST file where those will be kept. So if you go to your profile, your email profile, and you go to data files, there is the PST file in question. You can see where it's stored, and you should take note of this because you should, under no circumstances, ever delete a PST file. So what used to happen in the past is, or what still happens, is Outlook auto-archives emails. There's a feature in Outlook that auto-archives emails, and that basically what it does is it takes that email and it pushes it to a separate PST file, and that PST file must then be backed up correctly as well. It's extremely important that you back up that PST file if you have auto archiving switched on. So if you look at your Outlook client, then you've got your profile, you're in your profile. There's an Outlook data file. This Outlook data file is effectively a PST file. If you look at the folder size, you can see all the subfolders. And here you can get an idea for what is included in this PST file. There's calendars, all your calendar entries, all your contacts, emails, notes. All of that goes into the PST file, which you should safeguard. Here you can see where it is stored. And do not accidentally delete that file. Okay, so that's PST files in a nutshell. If a PST file gets corrupt, you can repair it. There's a tool included in the Outlook installation to repair PST files, and you can open multiples. You can copy a PST file from one computer to another one, and you can open that PST file by going to File, Open and Export, Open Outlook data file. There we go. So that's opening another PST file. So if we do that, and we go and have a look at, there's all the PST files on my machine, then we can open another one. Unless it had a password, you can actually password protect them as well. But there's the other one, the other PST file. Right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I will see you. Oopsie. I will see you. Oh, it's capturing my shortcuts. I'll see you in the next one.